I'm turning one of those trendy chocolate smash hearts into a bunny's bum. So let's get started. So I have my white chocolate here that I have melted, and I have that classic heart-shaped mold that we all know and love. So I am just going to be pouring the white chocolate into the mold, and you want quite a thick layer because it can be tricky to unmold things from this mold. It can break pretty easily. So just keep that in mind when you're adding your white chocolate. I mean, it's chocolate too. Like, no one's gonna complain if there's more. As you can see, the chocolate is all over the inside of the mold, and I have reinforced here, here, and here, because that is where it's most likely to break when you're unmolding it. So you wanna make sure to put some extra chocolate there. So now, into the fridge we go. So now it's unmolding time, and this is when you wanna like bring any kind of like ability to be delicate, you wanna use that skill now. So what we're gonna first do is just gently peel the edges away, because we don't want this to break, and it might stretch it a little bit more. There is a reason that most videos just show it magically unmolded. Kind of sticking my thumb in there, and you want to get like the air bubble underneath, and you want it to like release. Oh shit, I broke it. No. Okay. I cracked it a little bit right here. So what I'm gonna do is put some more chocolate on it, pop it back in the fridge, and we will do damage control. This might happen, it's okay, this is what you do in this house. There we go. I'm scared to touch this. But it looks a little messy on the inside, but on the outside, that's what matters. And we're not even gonna be positioning it this way. We are going to be positioning it this way. And then next to it, we are going to create the little things that will make this a bunny bum. We're gonna take the remaining white chocolate that we have, and also a side note, you can do 2 hearts if you want to make it 3D. We're just gonna do 1 today just to keep it simple. I am going to do 2 kind of like oval dollops of chocolate just directly onto the parchment paper. And this is a good technique, you know, if you wanna make something that's shaped out of chocolate, but you can't find a mold, this is like, just put it on parchment and it will peel off perfectly when it is hardened. Now we're gonna leave this for just a second, and we are going to we're gonna make the bunny tail. Ignore the camera's not supposed to be there. So I have my little bowl here, and we are going to take some mini marshmallows, pour them in. I'm not gonna add all the chocolate because we still need it for the other part of the feet. We're gonna add that directly into the marshmallows and mix it in. This will be sticky, but you want that, okay? You want them to be like a singular mass, because this is gonna make the tail. Also, I'm weighing this. I was like, shoot, what do we do for the tail? So I'm like, oh, marshmallows. I'm gonna put it there, and like it's already kind of setting. Now we're gonna take the rest of the white chocolate, and we're gonna add some pink oil-based food coloring. Also, who wants to bet this is gonna explode on me? Because oh my God, lately every kind of coloring has exploded on me. Oh, okay, I guess not really. Why am I disappointed? And I'm just gonna mix it together. All right, and there we go. So it's just like kind of pale pink. Now we have our platter here. You are going to lay out, or I'm going to lay out, your little surprise. And I'm just gonna arrange them like kind of in the shape of the little bunny's booty. On top of that, and some little chocolate bunnies, because it's like bunny on bunny. And I have these little chocolate covered strawberries that look like carrots. And if you wanna know how to make these, I'll link these at the end of the video because I love them so much in this recipe. All right, you guys, moment of truth. I'm using a knife sharpener because this is stronger than the little hammers that come in the kits. So, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, look. Nope,
take any chocolate off the floor. But you cannot do that.
Anyways, I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday for a new video. Bye!